To back up your WhatsApp business, go ahead and open your WhatsApp business app and tap on this three dot at the top right. And here just tap on settings. And here tap on chats. And here scroll down and just tap on chat backup. And now, first of all, we have to select a Google account, in which account we want to take a backup of our WhatsApp business. So just tap on Google account, and if you have multiple accounts, just select the account from this list, or you can just tap on add account to add a new Google account. Once you selected the specific Google account, now just tap on frequency, and here you can enable automatic backup. So I'm selecting daily, and from here you can enable or disable backup with or without videos. And now all you have to need is just tap on backup, and your WhatsApp business chats will be back up to the Google account.